Changing your security settings on M&T Bank is essential for keeping your account safe. Follow these steps to quickly update your security preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the M&T Bank website or open the mobile app and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled security settings or security preferences. Step 3. Update your password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication 2FA. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device or email for receiving verification codes. Step 5. Review account alerts. Check the section for account alerts and notifications. Customize your preferences to receive alerts for transactions, login attempts, and other important activities. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your M&T Bank account quickly and efficiently. Always remember to regularly review your security settings to keep your information safe.